Tired of being broke, you need to flip or buy and hold. Clocking in and out, your 9 to 5 is getting old. JD Boom and AC Cash, they known to get the bag. You can make your own schedule, know you liking that. Time to take the next step, take your money, invest. Know you just got that check, go sign up with JTech. Yeah.
Talking about these meme stocks.
Yes.
Hey, meme stocks. People getting paid?
Yeah. Some people.
People losing money. Hey, we got to talk about it. We don't want our people to be sheep in this meme stock mania.
That's right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Pivot Point Investors, covering these meme stocks. Let's go. Hi, I'm AC Cash, and this is
Shaded Technician.
And this is
JD.
On behalf of Pivot Point Investors, where we help the average investor grow his nest egg. And today we're talking about these meme stocks. Meme stocks, what's a meme stock?
Well, I mean, to be short, a meme stock was started off by the Wall Street guys or the Reddit crew. And basically, it's just a stock in which technically everybody knows about. By the time you find out, you were really late to the scene. It spreads fast.
It's a meme stock. So it's like those rap songs where all the rappers want to jump on it. By the 4th and 5th time they remake it, it's not so hot.
That's right.
And so that means they were sheep jumping on the bandwagon, and we don't want our investors to be sheep jumping late onto the bandwagon of these meme stocks. That's
right.
What we're talking about?
That's right.
Okay, so we understand what a meme stock is, and we just want to cover a few so we understand why there's good times to get into these meme stocks, there's bad times to get in, and sometimes you just got to hold your chips. And in today's environment, there's a lot of chip holding.
That's right.
All right? If we're going to talk about meme stocks, we're going to talk about how many?
Let's do 3.
Three's a good number.
Let's do 2 stocks and 1 cryptocurrency.
Okay, that's a good deal. That's a good deal. So we're gonna lead it off. Who's gonna lead it off?
Hey, let me go into one I really don't like.
Okay, well come on with it.
And that's AMC.
You don't like AMC? Don't you like movie theaters?
I love movie theaters.
Popcorn
and popcorn, everything.
Okay,
The
all right.
blockbusters coming out, I love it.
All right.
But this stock don't make it. Company's not making it.
The company isn't making money, so the stock shouldn't be invested in. Okay, tell me about it.
So let's talk about it. This year, the 52-week high for AMC $72.62.
$72.62. I got you. Okay.
Current stock price is $31.82.
Okay.
And the 52-week low was only $1.91.
So in a year, it was $1.91.
Yes.
Then it went up to a high $72.62.
Yes.
And now we're hovering somewhere in the middle, $31.82.
Absolutely.
A lot of people got money. A lot of people lost money.
Absolutely.
And now we would advise, well, let's say what we do, and then they can make their own decision.
Yeah.
What would we do at this point if we're in it at 31? We bought it yesterday, 31.82. What should we do with it?
I would say nothing.
Okay.
Nothing at this point.
Just
you can't
hold your chips.
Yeah, hold your chips.
Hold your
Hope
chips.
that it's another Reddit push.
Okay.
And that you can take advantage of that wave and then parachute out.
Okay.
That's the best case.
I'm a short-term trader.
Right.
If that thing shows me any liquor green right now, could be 10 cents. I'm
Getting out of
I'm
it.
out.
All right. And live to fight another day on another stock.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, the only thing that you could say, could make a slight difference is if it pays a dividend. So about 1.42.
And the high price.
Ain't worth it.
It's not worth
Okay,
it. But
so let's get to the fundamentals. What should this stock be worth if it was an average stock in the world?
No, $4 or $5.
$4 or $5.
Maxed out at 9.
Okay,
Yeah, so-
and we're telling people what we would do at $31.82. We still gonna be hoping it does another roller coaster.
I mean, you either do that or you cut your losses. You cut bait like G-Tech said, but he's saying if it goes green. I don't see it going green anytime soon. Like to the point where you would, be able to break even and not lose anything.
So you say it had its run.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough on AMC.
Yeah.
I need another stock.
Before AMC, one thing, they just released that they're gonna accept Bitcoin as a form of payment.
So that got you excited. You about to jump in and buy? No.
But that speaks to my point. If other sheep, right? You talking about
so
the
you as a sheep want another sheep to do something
the other
smart.
sheep could do that.
Okay. It is a sheep mentality, herd mentality. So if they're going off the cliff, you saying
I'm saying hold it at that point because it could improve for you.
Okay, it could improve. And we're on the
good.
tech side saying, hey, if it goes up a dime, get your bread and leave.
Out of there.
And
As
go
long
to
as you can
something
break in.
else.
Absolutely.
Because it's not a joke, but it's a meme
I
stock.
went to the movies to see Fast and the Furious 9. No lie, it was 4 of us in there.
Okay, 4 people. And you're investing in the stock? We're going to let you pause on that and think about why we should
I
still be
bought
able
some
to.
popcorn, but
You didn't pay for that movie. You paid for the popcorn.
Right,
So
that's right.
that's that meme stock. AMC, hold your chips, find a good exit to get out of there. That's what we do.
Yeah.
So give me another meme at this point with cryptocurrency.
My hated one is GME, GameStop.
GME, GameStop. Okay, that's a real stock.
I
They do
don't
business.
think ever in the history of Wall Street have we ever had a stock just keep bleeding companies. I mean,
Okay.
it is unbelievable,
Mhm.
inconceivable the madness that stock
Inconceivable
has
to me.
done.
Oh man,
Yeah.
so give me some numbers, technician.
Man,
Tell me
this
about it.
thing literally, I ain't even going to the high. I'm gonna go
Okay.
straight to the low. Man,
Low.
that thing had a low of $3.92, and that was
$3, 300 pennies,
Yeah.
and then tack on 92 more pennies on
Yeah.
that.
This
Okay,
was-
so
this
that's where it
March,
was.
March of 2020.
March of 2020. Okay, and
right now it's sitting at $159.
159. Man, that's a heck of a ride. But where did it go?
Man, that thing went as high as $483.
$483 at its high, doing this mania, this lose your mind, buy this thing, because Reddit,
The
the Reddit crew were pushing it, and it went up to $483. And so I just bought it yesterday, $159. What should I do?
Well,
Give it to me. What should
I can't believe you did it.
Yeah.
That'd be the first
Well,
problem.
obviously
but,
I did not,
Yeah.
but
But
you
I
know.
mean, if you did that, I mean, your account's already showing red. I mean,
Okay.
at this point,
Mhm.
you know, as JD said earlier, pray to God,
Pray.
or whoever you believe in.
Pray, somebody.
But otherwise to that, I mean, they have been doing what we call parabolic moves. That's moves that will cause a sudden jump in volatility out of nowhere.
Mhm.
I mean, we've seen this thing. It jumped to $180 and then tomorrow it jumped right back down to $150. I mean,
So you tell me to
it's-
do what? If I was that
If
cheap,
you-
you bought it at 150.
You already took that risk. I
Mhm.
mean, I'd probably ride it out for a week and see what happens.
Ride
I mean,
it for a
you
week.
already bad. I mean,
I'm bad.
so
Okay.
because the thing, the underlying company
Mhm.
does what? PlayStation 5 games,
Mhm.
you can download them. You buy them, download them.
Okay.
You don't go to the store and buy them at the store.
You
It's
know,
the internet.
So they the next Blockbuster?
Pretty
Blockbuster
Yes,
video.
exactly.
Waiting on
The
Netflix.
only thing is they're trying to change over and be the Netflix
Mhm.
that Blockbuster didn't flip
Okay,
to.
they're trying to.
So they're
we
trying
got to see some
to,
real
but
positive
it
signs on
hasn't,
that.
it hasn't happened yet.
As of now, I would be the fool looking for the greater fool if I'm in it at $159
Pretty much.
in game GameStop.
Yeah.
Okay, so
The
I
odds are not
understand
in
it.
your favor.
Okay, but man, if you would have rode it that roller coaster from 392,
Yeah.
but I wasn't that smart, huh?
Hey man.
Hey, we want you to be
I-
smart.
I knew it was musical chairs.
Oh, for
It's
sure.
only a matter of time.
Because we're talking about meme stocks. We aren't talking about fundamentally traded
Yeah.
stocks. We're talking about stocks that people saw was hot. They jumped on it. Now, where they jumped on it in the roller coaster, we don't know.
And you got two communities, really. You got the movie buffs
Mhm.
that have an affinity for the movies and love
Mhm.
it. Several
Mhm.
of our members are. And they communicated the same thing
Mhm.
with our gaming, with the gaming
He's a gamer.
society.
He's a gamer.
So let us
Okay.
support,
Okay, so all that's good, but when you start putting that money in the
that
market,
changes everything.
you gotta get your wisdom,
Everything
get your
is
smarts up.
Yeah.
Okay, that's two of them. We covered it. We covered the two real stocks. Now we want to mess with. I don't know why this guy.
Man,
got
no,
frauds
leave
in
it
his
up
throat.
to him, man.
Okay, so we're talking
It's still
about
dead. He can talk about it all day. Let
a
him talk about it.
third
Hold on.
meme,
Let him talk about it.
a cryptocurrency.
Let him talk about it.
This
Let me make
guy's
sure I sit
gonna
up
talk
straight.
about. What are we talking about?
Dogecoin.
Dogecoin,
Trash.
Dogecoin, all that stuff.
Dogecoin.
Okay,
Right.
yeah,
So,
with the dog. Okay.
So yeah, so
Talk to me.
I go back with this. I love this one. I love this one.
Come with it.
This is one of the ones I picked when it was less than 2 basis points.
Mhm.
You know,
I mean, it was
it's-
under 2 pennies, under a
Yes,
penny.
yes.
He was high on doggy.
Yes,
coin.
yes.
Okay.
So,
Mhm.
currently right now, we last looked today, it's volatile. So we last looked, it was 26 cents a coin.
26 cents. Oh,
Yeah.
it's like,
Yeah.
okay, go ahead.
Yeah, now, 74 was the high.
70, let's get that straight.
70
You bought it under a penny, a fifth of a penny or
Mm-hmm.
something, and then you watched that roller coaster. Everybody was so excited because of Elon Musk and people just saying pretty things about this thing.
Yeah.
And we're going to get to the essence of this Dogecoin. And it went up to 74 pennies.
74
Oh,
pennies.
fantastic
Yeah,
stuff if
yeah.
you jumped out at that point.
Absolutely.
But a lot of people wanted to get to that dollar.
Oh yeah.
Waiting.
Hey.
I understand.
One of my guys.
You're going to make the man cry when he
man,
watches this.
He purchased 1.3 million Dogecoins
Okay.
at 3 cents a coin.
3 cents. He was happy there.
You know,
Rolled it on up.
Rolled it up.
Okay.
He had made $771,000.
$771,000. And then he cashed out, right?
No.
No, he did not.
No.
Uh-huh.
He Vegas, baby,
Yeah,
is
bam.
going to $1. Dollar's
Okay.
my number. Dollar
Okay.
yo. Dollar
Okay.
yo.
Didn't do it. Didn't do it. Didn't do it. So he rolled it back down.
But
so,
we kept telling him. Me and
Okay.
technician was telling him.
Okay. Well, that's the risk of the market. Now, understand, Dogecoin does what? What does it do?
Nothing.
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 Hey, it's got a cool meme. I love the
Oh,
picture.
it's got
The dog
a
is-
picture. Ooh,
Yeah,
nothing.
nothing. Hey,
Nothing.
the dog is like
Okay.
slick,
Nothing.
man. He up to
We're
something,
not
man.
invested in pretty stuff.
He up to something.
He's
man.
up
He
to
cool.
something.
Like he ain't
Hey,
pretty.
imagine the people who watch these people who are coming up with
Yeah.
these old worthless cryptocurrencies,
Yeah.
and then they say, "Man, a pretty dog does it. Suppose I come with the cat coin. Cat coin. That'll be
I'm
so
sure
pretty.
somebody's thought about
Somebody's doing it,
Mhm.
hoping it rises. But again, what does it do?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, we're not playing that game. Let's stay with the smart money. That's a cryptocurrency. Many of them do things. They
Yeah.
use exchanges and
Yeah.
currency. This thing
Real stuff.
does nothing.
Nothing. That's true.
Okay, so
That's true.
be smart. We want you to be smart. And so that's 3 of them. That's
Yeah,
3 of them
that's
that,
great.
that we don't want people to be sheep going over the cliff, following the next guy because they read something
Yeah.
on the Reddit or anywhere in the world
Yeah.
and decide they put their hard-earned money behind some foolishness.
Absolutely.
Now, this isn't a meme stock, but it could turn into one. Let's talk about Robinhood just a little bit.
Hey,
Robinhood.
that actually is a meme stock.
Okay,
That's
all right.
That's technically a meme stock.
Well, they're a company,
Yeah.
and until the groups jump on it
Yeah.
and make it do a little something,
But they did. They took it from $33 a share to 77.
Yeah, they launched it.
Yeah.
so we're calling it it's a meme stock.
It is a meme stock.
Okay, so we say
Yeah.
Robinhood's a meme stock.
Yeah.
But why do we like it or don't like it?
I love it
Okay.
because it's a real company with
Real
real, business
company.
throwing off real cash.
You mean it's not Dogecoin?
no?
Not Dogecoin? It's not.
It made
Oh.
522 million in revenue in 1 quarter.
522 million in 1 quarter. And that was after a bunch of people defected because of, tell me about that.
Yeah, so they had of course, payment for order flow. We all learned what that was during the process of stopping GameStop, stopping AMC when the stocks were running through the roof, and you were trying to go in and sell.
Mhm.
You're at Robinhood and you couldn't do it.
Mm-hmm.
Payment for order flow and all this
Payment
other stuff.
for order flow. Okay, we'll explain that. Okay,
Absolutely.
go ahead.
So, a lot of people got upset about Robinhood with that. A lot of people hated them because they said, listen, you're supposed to be helping us stick it to the man and not supporting the man, not stopping, flow. So they feel like Robinhood was in cahoots,
Mhm.
with the other broker dealers that kind of control,
Okay.
the market and payment for order flow and how that goes.
Okay.
So they took a big hit, from a brand standpoint.
Mhm.
They lost a lot of users that went to other platforms like Webull and
Mhm.
TD Ameritrade and all these other different ones, Stockpile. So
But it didn't knock them in the head so much that they
No.
got knocked out.
No.
They still
got millions.
been making money.
They still have the most interfacing users
Mhm.
of any of those platforms.
Okay, and they are really market makers. They are opening up a whole new market, the
Yes.
same way Coinbase will do with cryptocurrency as far as being a marketplace to buy and sell cryptocurrency. They're becoming the Q-tip of cotton swabs.
Absolutely.
When
The
you talk
Kleenex
about
of tissue.
okay, how to buy a low price stock and a lot of
Yes.
things. Robinhood.
Tell me who understood or really used the word democratize before Robinhood.
Mm-hmm.
How do a lot of these terms that are just like commonplace with trading and investing. It didn't exist before Robinhood.
Before Robinhood, so they have become just easy entry for the low cost buyer.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, all right, Robinhood. So how do you feel about Robinhood?
No questions there.
They're there. They're legit.
They're legit.
And they're meme stock.
And a meme stock.
And we got runway to grow.
Balance sheet.
that's it.
Absolutely.
Runway
they
to
got
grow.
stuff they can introduce. They got all this new stuff they said they're ready to introduce. They just haven't done it yet.
Okay.
By the end of the year, they may do some more. Yeah.
Okay, and that's more so than AMC ever had,
Absolutely.
Oh,
GME ever had,
all the way.
and Dog Eat Dog.
So the only issue some people had, and even J-Tech brought up before, was how much money they made on Dogecoin at a certain point. And when Doge was running, Robinhood, right around 60% of their revenue was from Dogecoin.
Okay.
You know, but
Right.
my point was, even if you take that away, they make so much revenue. There are millions of companies out there that would take $225 million in revenue in the same period of time. If you took out the Dogecoin,
Okay, that's
you
what I'm
still
doing.
throw off a lot of cash.
Okay, and they don't have a stockpile of inventory somewhere.
No,
they don't
they
have overseas shipping problems. They're not going to have a labor shortage because they can get the people to do what they do.
They lean
from
and mean
their house.
security, cybersecurity, infrastructure, security platform-wise, that kind of stuff. They're paying for tech.
Okay, so if you were a sheep follower in that crowd, you might get to greener pastures and not over the cliff.
That's right.
Oh, you feel that?
Absolutely.
You like that?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, don't try to steal my stuff.
see you.
Don't steal my stuff.
I see you. I see you.
Because wherever we lead you, we're always trying to lead them to what? More money, more money, more money. That's what we're trying to do.
Absolutely.
Okay, pivot point investors, man. Y'all giving them a little something. We don't need sheep. We need average, good trading, fundamentally sound traders, followers, enthusiasts.
I mean, we asked, you know, one of the employees, man, why'd you buy AMC? Oh, because everybody else.
Everybody was so she became a sheep.
Literally.
And she's, nail biting looking at the
man.
computer.
Oh,
It's a terrible thing.
yeah.
Hey, but it's okay. We're gonna lead her to greener pastures.
Oh,
'Cause,
shit, listen, man.
yeah, that was before she did what? She subscribed, before she was following.
Right.
She was seeing what was happening.
Absolutely.
And we
Then-
should share
See,
with a friend.
see,
Some people
see.
don't share. We know you're smarter than that.
That's right.
Share
Don't
with
be
a
like that
friend.
guy.
I know. Don't be.
Yeah.
Everything to yourself. Man, terrible in the cafeteria in school.
Man,
No,
I know,
that
man.
kid, one shares apple, no juice, no milk. It's okay. It's all right to share the
That's
good
right.
stuff.
That's right.
Okay? So, hey, we good with that?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put a pin in it, and
Yeah.
we'll talk about some other stuff. We'll talk about books, we'll talk about books, we'll talk about events. So much to talk about.
It is a
But
lot
right
to
now,
talk about.
we're talking about not being a sheep in this investing arena.
That's right.
Okay, so stay smart. Okay, Pivot Point Investors, we're leaving you on a high note. Follow sheep to greener pastures, not over the cliff.
That's right.
Okay, Pivot Point Investors, we're getting out of here. Keep smart. Stay investing.